Hey guys, welcome back to another video with realme reviews. Today we're going to be checking out a very quick unboxing and first look at the Realme Watch 2 Pro. Now I just did a video about the non-Pro version about 2 weeks ago and that watch was pretty interesting because it came in at a very affordable price range of just RM229 here in Malaysia. So this is going to be like the upgraded version from the version 2. This is the Pro, as you can see on the box right here. So this is just going to be a first look unboxing everything that came in the box here, and I'll show you how the watch looks like and how it looks like on my wrist as well. We can't really tell the features in this initial video right here, but this is a pretty exciting one, so please stay with me in this video as well. Alright, so without further ado, let me just unbox this one for you guys to see. So as you can see, I do have my yellow knife right here as well, so that we match with the theme of the Realme watch. And let's just unbox this guy very quickly. This is the usual kind of box that you always get with the Realme smartwatches. And yep, it does look very nice. So we're going to go and unbox this right away and see what kind of watch is in store for us. Alright, oh wow, I didn't expect to get the grey or brownish version right here. I definitely did not expect that. I was really expecting to see mine in black right here, but oh, it does look pretty nice here, guys. I mean, this is a quite unique color. It looks a bit brownish or grayish to me, but yeah, we still have the Dare to Leap here, but we'll talk more about this watch in a moment. Let me just turn that on so we can unbox as we wait for this to boot up. Oh no, it's not booting up right now. Let me see again. There we go. Alright, so just put the watch down there for a second and we see what else came in the box. Let's remove this, and yep, we should have our charger in here. So let's take a quick look at how the charger looks like while that is powering up. And just like all other Realme smartwatches, you get this one in a round shaped kind of puck right here. And this is exactly how it looks like. Alright, so apart from that, you also get a couple of manuals in the box. You don't get any extra strap or something like that. So this is essentially what you would be able to see from the Realme Watch 2 Pro right here. So just going to leave that there for a moment and we're going to check out the watch itself. So removing this plastic very quickly right there, and there we go, guys. This is the Realme Watch 2 Pro. It does come in this squarish kind of shape here. So let me just try and set it up really quickly so I can show you a couple of watch faces and all that. I have my phone here, so I've installed the Realme Link app. Let me just try and add that one more device right here. And this should be the one, I suppose. Let's see if it syncs real quick. Come on, come on. And there we go. Very, very easy to sync actually with the app itself. So I'm just going to agree and all that. Next. Turn on. Let me go into the app itself, allow all this nonsense here, and I think we should be going on pretty quickly. So while this is still syncing right here, let's take a closer look at the watch itself. In my first impressions here, it's definitely looking slightly larger in terms of the screen compared to the original Realme Watch 2, the non-Pro version. The strap wise, we still have this Dare to Leap writing very large on the strap itself. I'm not sure if you're a fan of that, but this is what you get with the straps. It does feel very soft and nice, guys. And actually at the back here, we do have the writing in the size here. It says 22 millimeters, so this is a 22 mm kind of strap, and you can just swap this out very easily if you don't like that strap. Let's just check out the Realme watch for now. So we do have this pretty cute animation going on right here. Let me see if we can swap to a different kind of watch face, or if we have something else to see how big the display is. Oh wow. Okay, so with this kind of wallpaper right here, you can actually tell that it's looking definitely quite large. Do note that we have quite a bit of bezel going on around the sides here. So you might want to choose a different wallpaper for that. And let me just swap to a different one right here, so we can get a different one looking. And it looks like we do have quite a few nice looking watch faces here as well. Definitely you can download more from the app, but I think I like this one, so I'm going to go with this for now. And yeah, this is exactly how the Realme Watch 2 Pro looks like. We do have a couple of sensors at the back. It is this very nice glossy back here, unlike some watches which is just plain like matte-ish or something like that. But yeah, no big deal. Okay, one thing about the strap is that it definitely fits skinny fellas like myself right here. As you can see, I still have a couple more holes to go before it is like really not wearable, and this is exactly how it looks like, guys. I think it looks really nice. What do you think? Realme is really moving up the game in terms of their smartwatches. I remember reviewing all their previous smartwatches and it just keeps getting better, and this one here is their current latest and best one, I would say, to date. Looks really, really nice here, and I'm very happy with it. Alright, I think I need to show you guys a little bit more on the sides here, because we do have a chrome or silver kind of frame going on, and one single button with a yellow dash of line at the side. So very classy looking as well, guys. I think that's pretty much it for this first impressions and unboxing video. Again, I can't share with you more information about the features because under embargo as always, but bear in mind this is coming with a ton of interesting features. So do stay tuned for the full review, which should be up in about a week from today. And of course, if you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. I hope you still give this video a good like, a thumbs up, and stay safe everybody. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!